Then lynching. Lynching, it is when more than one individual overpower a person and lynch, strangulate by sudden throwing the rope from behind and tying it together, or the mob killing a person in hostile manner. It may not be limited to the strangulation or asphyxia. Any other cause of death can be there. That is lynching. Lynching is awarding death by the mob. And what is mob? Uncontrolled, unrestrained, illegal action by the crowd. And that uncontrolled crowd killed an accused criminal. अक्सर न्यूज़ देखते हैं कराची में डाकू को पकड़ा मार दिया. So this is illegal. This is illegal. Whatever is the criminal, he or she should be subjected to the legislation or litigation. So lynching is not allowed in any civilized country, but we are unfortunately not following. So it is the punishment by the mob, by the alleged mob or group of people. So major reason can be any: religion, region, politics, or intolerance. So reason can be any, but it is illegal. So lynching is a condition where several persons acting together illegally and overpower an individual and hang him by means of a rope. Usually it was first adopted as hanging or strangulation, but now any other means, any other physical